Discord has a lot of tools for formatting. So for example, you can make things in bold, italicize them, or even underline them, which can definitely help add some flair to your messages. However, you can also make text bigger or smaller than the default font in Discord if you want to mix it up even more. This is especially helpful if, for example, you're making a giant wall of text and you want to add separate headings that are bigger than the rest of the text to really help make them stand out. With this system of headings and subtext, you can definitely give your message a completely different look. So today we'll be going over exactly how you do this formatting. It uses a mixture of hash keys and also of hyphen keys. So make sure you know where those are on your keyboard. If you want to create the biggest possible text in Discord, simply just add one hash, which creates the biggest possible heading. Then you can add another hash to create a smaller heading, or 3 hashes to create the smallest possible heading. With this system, you can add text that is slightly bigger than the regular text into your message. Then, if you also want to add some subtext, that is text that will be even smaller than the regular font in Discord, all you have to do is have a hyphen and hash, which will make everything after it appear all tiny. Now, keep in mind, unlike other types of formatting in Discord where you can add the starting point and end point with asterisks, here the entire line will be formatted the same way. So that is something to keep in mind. The final result is that you have 5 different sizes of text, as you can see right here, which allows you to see the scale of the other options we have discussed here today. And yes, you can also apply this to emojis, even custom ones, so have fun with that. So that is pretty much everything you need to know about how to send messages in bigger or smaller text in Discord. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.